right, so where do I start, man? So, coronavirus, right? It's affecting everybody out here in the world, and I just wanted to do a video. As you know, the Home Loan Zero, I'm definitely a trusted resource to a lot of individuals out there that are looking to purchase homes, refinance homes, and I take my job seriously. So, I definitely want to educate everybody about what's going on in the real estate market here in Denver as well as the world, because I just got off a pretty interesting meeting with not only my branch, and then right after that we got off another Zoom meeting with my whole mentor group with realtors all across the country. So and there's a lot of good takeaways that I had today, but one of the I think we'll go ahead and just get into it mortgage wise, as that's my lane. So one thing that I heard today was Quicken Loans is going to need a bailout, and they're like one of the biggest mortgage companies in the U.S., and they service a lot of loans, and other mortgage loan companies who service loans are also going to be affected by this. And what does that mean? Basically, it's when you have a mortgage, you pay it, right? So if they're not getting paid because people are affected by this coronavirus and they're not working or they're not able to make their mortgage payments, it affects the lenders who lended that money and who are servicing those loans. So if they're not able to make daily things such as payroll, guess who's going to have to bail them out? The government. So that's what's happening. Other things in our world, warehouse lines are drying up. And what does that mean for warehouse lines? So basically, when we close loans, there's a big warehouse line. They got millions of dollars, and they fund your loan so we could, everybody gets paid on that day. There's, even though you never see these dollars, and that's kind of what borrowers doesn't understand when we're like doing like a tax audit, or feel like the tax audit when you're buying a home. But they don't never see the dollars that happen and go through these wires so that we can close on the homes. It could be hundreds of thousands of dollars that we're lending to you. So anyway, there's warehouse lines that give us that money so we can send these wires through that day and everybody gets paid. Those are just drying up, as well on like jumbo loans and non-QM loans. So non-QM loans out the window. What are the non-QM loans? Bank statement loans, things like that, where self-employed borrowers who could provide us with 12, 24 months bank statements and they can get a loan. Not gonna happen no more. Sorry. So we just gotta wait to see what happens on the other end of this. I'm sure they'll be back, but for right now, no bueno. All right, and so things that are really going to affect some of my borrowers and people that are looking to buy their first home if they're struggling with their credit, unfortunately, government loans. It was a decision for a lot of mortgage companies around the world to basically up their restrictions as far as government loans go. So that means like FICO scores, minimum FICO scores to qualify for a loan are now being raised to like scores like 640 and 680, when once usually we would shoot for about a 620 to get you into a home. But we always had products that can get you in under 620, but 620 is that like sweet spot. So now that's getting up higher, and that's even another hurdle for somebody trying to borrow their first home that's cleaning up their credit. So bond loans. Some companies have just quit doing bond loans. And what are bond loans? Well, those are those first time home buyer loans. Those CHFA, those Chenoas, those Denver Metro Mortgage Assistance Programs. If you've heard about first-time homebuyers programs, those are bond loans where they're giving you money to cover your down payment. Some companies are just stopping doing them. Like I said, it just may get a little bit tougher for if you're doing a government loan to qualify. We're looking for that 640 or above. So, yeah. All right. So now, let me go ahead and finish off what I was going to say with the mortgage side. But one of the things with this, global economic crisis that we're facing right now is people don't have money to get through the storm. So one way that you can get through the storm if you own a home is through the equity in your home. So basically you should be looking to have at least about 6 months of reserves to pay your mortgage, pay your cars, pay your bills, keep your lights on, keep food in the fridge, and provide the necessities: food, shelter, clothing. So you should have 6 months, and if you don't have 6 months, then it's going to be tougher for you. Not to say that you can't do it, because I know you can. I've hustled through the storms, and I know you can too. So, but yeah, you should be looking to have 6 months saved up. And if you don't have 6 months saved up, but you own a home, and think about refinancing or pulling some equity out, And sitting on that nice little nest egg, you could do 10, 20,000, whatever it may be that you need to get through this storm. And you could also do some home improvements. So if you're planning to sell your home and you're like kind of iffy on the market, you could take this downtime to make those home improvements on your home, and you see what's happening when the market comes through this, and then your properties be ready to go on the market once we get back to normal. So yeah, you could definitely look at doing a home equity refinance, and we could pull some money out. The rates kind of came back down, kind of like assured. For government loans, they're kind of still a little all over the place, but for conventionals, I priced out some D's. I'm still in the still very competitive out there. So definitely just give me a call and find out what we can do for you if you need to secure your house sold. All right, so now we're gonna get into the real estate side of things, because I get mentored by a real estate agent, crazy enough, but he was mentored by a loan officer, and our worlds collided. We're like, realtors and lenders are hand in hand. They reflect you and your business as real estate. So, and I just respect this guy, and he's like one of my best friends. And shout out to Stuart too, and shout out to Delroy. Agent Daily Dose. If y'all want to sign up for mentorship, Agent Daily Dose, link will be somewhere in the comments or something like that. And I get a referral code too, so you can get like a month or something for free, and that's on me, because I want you to learn, train, mindset, take over. Because like he said today, I think he opened up this conversation, was like, the time is now. He's heard some real estate agents were like taking it off, taking it slow, like, I'm just gonna see where things go. No, build your business now, build your brand right now. This is where people are gonna be made. So yeah, that's kind of how it started off. Adapt and thrive. All right. So definitely worry about your personal branding. Definitely build that up right now, and just be relatable. Just be you. I think to be authentic is probably one of the best things, and I've definitely felt like I've used social media to be my authentic me. And I'm not hiding anything. Like, I just keep it 100% real. If you follow me on my Instagram or on my Facebook, sometimes I might post some stuff you're like, man, but hey, that's me authentically. I feel like I'm a accomplished individual who's positive individual. I don't post anything that's not positive, that doesn't really represent who I am or what I like, beyond that. So, personal branding, all right? So, what else can we talk about? So what I got going forward, I guess you could say, is I definitely just plan to, entertain y'all as much as I possibly can. Keep it real, just give y'all the facts as they come into me. Definitely be a trusted resource to y'all. Definitely just, take advantage of this time where, digital is the only way we can connect with people. Yes, we're not allowed to get out there in the field and connect with individuals face to face. Right now, the best way to do it is to connect digitally. So I'm gonna keep building my content, my branding. That you can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and we're gonna go from there. Imagine if this happened in 1995, y'all. Like, when we didn't have the internet, like no Zoom meetings or none of that stuff. Like, we'd just be completely cut off from the world and not really knowing what's going on, only able to watch the news, right? But we're able to connect with our peers through social media. So definitely I encourage y'all to get out there and connect, So I'm gonna end it with check out some of the little videos that I've been doing. I'm gonna just give y'all short clips of them. If you want the full ones, go on my YouTube, 24K Motion Pictures, and I'll probably drop a couple of my travel vlogs within the next week too. So all right, y'all stay safe out there, man. I love y'all. Stay blessed, pray up. We're gonna make it. So The Home Loans Hero, follow me. www.thehomeloanshero.com is my website. A lot of content coming up there. If you're a small business, I definitely want to highlight you and put you into my trusted referral sources. I'm definitely going to be highlighting small businesses because they're definitely suffering through this time right now. And I think to be able to support them if you can during this time, or be able to support them once things get back to normal, would be helpful. So I'm definitely just going to do that. And I want to highlight small businesses. So if you got one, let me know. Take care. TheHomeLoansHero.com out.
Just like a diamond you shine. Too many girls in other states, I would've told you anyway. I guess you had a
Turn up, go Drake, go Drake. Go Drake, let me see you bust your dance moves, go.
We gon' celebrate today cause it's your birthday. Go ahead, make a wish cause it's your birthday. We just wanna wish you happy birthday. And you know we don't give a what? It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. We gon' celebrate today cause it's your holiday. Go ahead, tell your friends at the workplace. Party's going down, come and kick it up at my place. Hop on Snapchat, Facebook, MySpace. Time to call your main ace, come and help me cut this cake. We just wanna tell you many thanks. It's your birthday, we gon' help you celebrate. It's your birthday, it's your birthday.
Tell me what's the secret I'm missing, and I'ma come and get it. I'ma be in the middle where love to be. So all my thugs, if you feel like I feel it, bring it by. Stick out your tongue and say I.
Oh shit. Here it comes. So,
I smell skanks. Why don't you girls just pack it up before I leave tread marks on your face? Okay?
Letty, I was just talking.
Yeah, whatever.
Okay, Hector.
Yeah, what's up, man?
Yo, what's up, Edward? How we doing this today? One race, 2G by A. Winner takes all. Hector, you're gonna hold the cash.
Why Hector?
Cause it's too slow to make away with the money, man.